I'm Robin Steele with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. We're at 14601 Northwest 151st Boulevard in one of Alachua's most desirable areas. You'll notice the front porch, very spacious, it's covered. Just picture yourself here having a hot cup of coffee in the mornings before you begin your day, or in the evenings with a cool drink as you relax. Come on in. As we enter into this single-family home, you'll notice the spacious foyer, where when your guests enter, there's plenty of room and they will instantly feel at ease. We have a full dining room that opens up into the living area and a kitchen area over in the corner, which you could make that a living area as well, which opens into the kitchen, which makes a serving and entertaining. To the east side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms, full-size bedrooms, that are great for either a bedroom, or you could have an office space, or even more storage. In these bedrooms, they both have very sizable closets for your clothing and storage, which makes it very nice, with very nice doors that are easily accessible. And between the 2 bedrooms, let's come to the back one as well. Notice the large windows, which opens into the back part of the lot, which is very beautiful, very secluded and wooded. And in the middle, we have this spacious bathroom, full-size bathroom that has storage underneath the sink. And we will come back to the open. Let's proceed into the kitchen. You'll notice all the cabinet space, the open bar, which is great for serving food and refreshments to your guests and family. All the appliances are included, which is on the west side of the house. We have windows that again open up towards the back of the lot. And we have a very large linen closet here. And in the master bathroom, it's very nice. We have the master closet. We have double sinks, lots of storage, a garden tub, and a wash. As we go to the back of the house, we have a rear entry door that opens up onto this patio that is great for grilling and entertaining your guests. That opens up to this large, rectangular, wooded lot, which gives a lot of privacy in this quiet neighborhood. As you can see, this home has a lot of fantastic things about it that are just wonderful. You're strolling distance from Alachua Town Center, Alachua's downtown area, which is full of shopping, restaurants, a post office, and did I mention it has a great school zone? For more information, call me, Robin Steele, 352-225-1069. Thank you for visiting us today.